Tuesday morning. We are arriving into Nassau. It's just before 9 o'clock. We left Port Canaveral last night. About 5 we had some lunch, some dinner, then we watched a show, the Golden Mickeys, which was excellent. And then we potted around the ship, did a few things. Lauren went to the kids club. And we got in about 12:30, 1:15, so had a good time, met some friends, which is always nice. And then today we just planned to potter around the ship for a couple of hours. We might have walked into Nassau and see what this place has to offer. I'm not sure there's lots to do, but we might. I wandered to the beach with Matthew. And that's the Atlantis in the distance. A lot of people are going out there to the water park to do some shopping. I think this is the carnival that we followed into here last night. We followed across together. But for now, I'm going over for a cup of coffee because I need a brew. So we're all docked up next to Carnival Liberty. Kids are all still asleep, so I'm going to go and get a couple of coffees. About to have some food, and that is just beautiful. So the picture changes.
Your name? Did you say Hillary? Very nice to meet you, Hillary. And then who is the unit across from Hillary? Blue shell. Oh, no, dude, you're up to shout, dude. Let's try it again, dude.
Matthew wanted some more gravy and some more chicken. He wants more gravy. Just so you know, Matthew has just had a big plate of chicken and mashed potato with vegetables and gravy, and then he wanted more. So he's had the same again. So he's definitely eating very well. He's had 3 lots of mashed potato, loads of vegetables, loads of gravy, and 1 big piece of chicken. I have had just chicken and mashed potato. The kid has had more than me.
This is the last one. Madam, the water still here? Are you sure? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just pick. Where's the water? Where's the water was? The bottom. Okay, I'm gonna throw it myself. I'm gonna close my eyes. 1, 2, 3. Okay. How much is the water? Where's the water? Let's go. I'm gonna close my eyes. 1, 2, 3. Everybody agree? Yes. Everybody agree? Yeah. 1. So I'm gonna close my eyes. 2, 3.
Go, Matthew. Night time on Disney Dream, and it feels like we're hardly moving. We have left Nassau a couple of hours ago. We were slowly making our way to Castaway Key. So we've got late night treats, we've got cookies, Mickey premium bars, one's already gone, someone's eating one already, and coffee and things. Oh, very nice, late night treats.
Even though we'd planned to have a wander around Nassau, we decided in the end just to have a chill out there, around the pool, around the different decks, played a bit of crazy golf, did all the fun things, and then just got ready for a nice captain's dinner at night with some lovely food, and just had a real chilled out day, which is exactly what was required after having 2.5 weeks dashing around all the Florida parks. Really good day, early-ish night, ready for a day at Disney's Castaway Key, which is the highlight of anybody's cruise. Hope you enjoyed the video, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you very soon.